So in this video, I want to talk to you about the top 5 altcoins to watch in July. Now, we've all got our own list, and I want to start off with a baseline, kind of set the stage, right? We've got a situation here where the overall crypto market is really flat. We've got some big news coming out on Wednesday, 2 days from now. The new CPI, basically the consumer price index, is coming out. This is the inflation data. Is it going to be going up to 8.8%? Meaning, is it we're going to continue this roll up or not? That's Wednesday. And then later this week begins the announcement of some pretty major stock earnings, JP Morgan, Citibank, things like that. And so the reason those are relevant is they are a macro impactor on the overall crypto market. So you need to be aware of that. But with that said, as a baseline, right here, right now, Bitcoin, I believe, quite frankly, is, and Ethereum and the rest of the altcoin market is in a wait and see mentality to see what is going to happen on this coming Wednesday, when right here, I'll show you that we're going to get the CPI data that's going to basically talk about is inflation going to continue its 40-year high streak and move to 8.8%. That's the question on the table. But with that said, here's 5 cryptos that maybe you want to take a look at and might want to, run through your own due diligence. And we're going to quickly go through these because I like to do these videos pretty quick, get you the information. Obviously, the leading one is Bitcoin. I would be looking at Bitcoin only in the context of look for Bitcoin to maybe move down and say the $13,000 to $14,000 range. I think there's definitely some downside potential there. I've talked about that in a lot of videos. But that's one that could be, obviously, buying it even at 20,000 in the long term is not a bad bet. Videos for entertainment purposes only. Of course, this is not investing advice, but Bitcoin definitely could be one that rolls down a little bit further to get even better of a price, a buy-in price. The other one is Uniswap. Uniswap has been doing pretty well overall, and obviously the king, if you will, of decentralized exchanges. It has the name brand recognition out there. That's not a bad one to add into a portfolio if you like these current price in, say, the $6 range. Again, looking at it maybe long-term, probably, I guarantee you, Uniswap's on a massive discount from previous levels before, well over half of the entire market capitalization of crypto was wiped out, right? ICP is one that this particular piece of content recognizes and is saying, hey, maybe one to keep an eye on. Obviously, it's a decentralized blockchain to accelerate the development of a decentralized internet while facilitating the scalability of Web3. Current price is around $6.51. Again, down pretty dramatically from the overall highs that I'm sure it's been before. As we've talked about before, some of this crypto market capitalization moving dramatically down in the last couple of months. Aave is one that we all know that's out there. Now, it is a borrowing and lending DeFi protocol, so you might want to look at that one with a little bit of a grain of salt because of some of the situations that have been playing out with like Celsius, Three Arrows. I'm not saying anything bad about Aave. I'm simply saying that be aware, look into it. If it meets your criteria, you might want to look at that and consider that one. But again, current trading at around $77 and change. It's down, 4 or 5+%. Quant is one that has actually been out there for a while, and a lot of people have been talking about Quant. So it's one that if you're not aware of it, you might want to look at it. It is a global network of blockchains and networks that are looking to boost network effectiveness and interoperability, et cetera. Now, the price point in that one, a little bit higher, obviously $75 plus, 24-hour trading volume, quite a bit, and price has been down about 10%. All of these are down dramatically high from their highs, right? And so these are opportunities that you might want to look at. Probably the one that I'm most excited about here is Bitcoin, only because of owning Bitcoin. It's the blue chip of the entire crypto market. The biggest market capitalization is $390 billion out of the $912 billion is Bitcoin. And to be able to buy Bitcoin at, say, $20,000, even what it's right now, is a pretty good deal if you believe in the long-term viability of crypto, Bitcoin in general. But I do think there's a little bit more downside potential to maybe even be able to buy it at even a better price. That's all I've got for you. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day. Go make some money. I'll see you.